Hey, and welcome to the CoverStore content video tutorials. In this first tutorial, I'm going to go through the main settings page, and this is the first steps you want to take in order to configure your CoverStore content plugin. As you can see up here, it says that it's almost ready, but you must enter your keywords and configure the settings. And this is the message you'll get just after installing the plugin before you do any of the stuff that I'm going to cover in this video. Right, so the first thing you want to do is go to the main settings page here on the CoverStore content settings, and as you can see here, there's a four-step process here with an optional fifth step. The first thing you want to do is enter your keywords, then you want to configure the details, enter the API keys for the affiliate networks, and then configure the modules. So in this first video, we're going to enter keywords here, and these are the keywords that you want to auto-block from or import products from. And you can enter up to 100 keywords here, each on one line. They can be multi-word keywords like keyword phrases, or they can be single keywords, and you can even use double quotes to make exact searches. Now this particular blog is about women's clothing and makeup, so we're going to enter a few keywords relating to that. So we can do mascara, and we can do like red dress, and let's do something like women's jeans, and then you can, for example, do this one in quotes, this one as is, and then, as I said, you can enter up to 100 here, either single keywords, keyword phrases, and keywords or keyword phrases in quotes for exact match. But this is fine for now, just for demo purposes. The next thing here is the post creation settings. You have a choice whether to have your auto blog posts go in as published, meaning they go live immediately, or you can set them to be imported as drafts if you want to edit them yourself before posting them to your affiliate store. I'm gonna go with just publishing them live immediately. Next is you can automatically create tags for your post. I highly recommend turning this on, especially if you publish to live immediately, otherwise your post won't have any tags. If you do draft and edit yourself, then you can add your own tags, but I highly recommend doing this. What it does is it will create automatic tags based on the title of the product you pull in, but it will ignore words with 3 characters or less. Plus, it will not create tags that you enter in this box here. And as you can see, we have entered words like and, here, this, that, and then, and so on. And you can either replace that or add to it. It's just a comma separated list, so you can add more to it for tags you want to ignore. Then you can choose to add any available comments to a post by checking this box here. I highly recommend doing that, because that will pull in some comments that will give your affiliate store extra content and extra social proof. Now this only works with Amazon because they're the only ones that let you pull in the comments. But I highly recommend turning it on, and using it for Amazon post. And if you turn it on, I also recommend checking this box, so it will randomize the number of comments it pulls in per post. So one post it might do 1 comment from, and another one it might do 5 from. This makes your affiliate store and your auto blogging look much more organic and real. And then finally, you can either check this box to store the images locally on your server, or just use them hot linked from the source being Amazon, eBay, or Commission Junction. I again highly recommend checking this box to store them locally. You will get the best performance out of that. But if you're on a small shared serving account and bandwidth limits and cost is a problem for you, then you can keep it unchecked and just hot link to the images. But if bandwidth is not an issue, I highly recommend checking that. So these are the first settings you have to set up. Enter your keywords and choose these settings here, and when you're done with that, you have to click update settings to save what you've done. Right, there we go. And that was the first video tutorial, the first things you have to do in here, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.